Today is a sad day for Monroe, Oklahoma residents as efforts of rescue and cleanup are undergoing. On October 4th, 1998, the National Weather Service Storm Prediction Center provided the town of Monroe with a tornado warning 16 minutes before the tornado touched down at 8:21 p.m. Central Standard Time. The warning gave residents more time to prepare than the average warnings. However, the 2-mile-wide tornado ripped through the center of the city, destroying nearly everything in its path. The tornado was classified as an EF4 on the Fujiata scale, with winds as powerful as 200 miles per hour. Homes were destroyed, and the streets are still littered with debris and cars piled on top of each other. The estimated cost of the damage is said to be $2 billion. Hundreds of Monroe residents are injured, and at this time it has been confirmed that at least 70 people have died. First responders' initially responsibility will be to find anyone who is trapped, then they will help those in need of medical treatment. The 3 fire departments and the police are working on rescuing those who may be trapped and focusing in the north part of the city as there were reports of families being stuck under debris there. 2 schools and one of the main hospitals have been destroyed in the tornado. The overwhelming situation has caused President Obama to declare this area as a major disaster area. This will allow federal aid to help with local and state efforts. Oklahoma state government has activated the National Guard, and FEMA has activated teams to support recovery operations and coordinate responses for the multiple agencies responding to this disaster. At the request of local police, the United States Federal Aviation Administration has imposed a temporary flight restriction in the Monroe area to allow only relief aircraft. This was done so that the police and rescue workers can search for buried survivors in silence. The mayor is asking all citizens to stay off Interstate 35 so relief aid is able to access the city faster. He has also dedicated the local community college in the southern part of town and the high school in the eastern part of town as relief aid centers. At these locations, the Red Cross will help the citizens of Monroe with relief efforts such as shelter, clean water, food, and clothing. All residents in need of services should report to one of the locations. Counseling will also be offered at these locations. A database has been created so that all residents that have checked into the designated relief stations and hospitals can be located by families and loved ones. All of the injured have been transported to the Oklahoma Heart Hospital, Oklahoma Center, and for acute care at the Community Hospital in Oklahoma City. The Food and Drug Administration have been called upon to ensure that after cleanup efforts are undergoing, that the water and soil are safe for the residents. Residents of Monroe and area cities are no stranger to the natural disasters such as this, and should be reassured that all efforts are being made to ensure the safety and well-being of all citizens are being met. Have a good day, and God bless.